quick one for you guys today. Truth is, I haven't posted in a long time. It's been like a month since I put something, maybe even a month and a half. It's been forever. Reason is, I had a kid. Love her. Her name is Rosalie. She's adorable. And priorities changed. I just haven't had time to do any of the editing. I've got lots of stuff on my drive to put stuff together to make some videos, but we don't have a youth pastor at our church right now, so then I'm kind of in charge of putting that youth program together. Anyways, just no time. But moving on from that, here's a reason, and this is another 5VZ that I'm doing for another customer. I've done a couple of motors for this guy, and he's a really smart kid, and I enjoy doing work for him because he loves learning. There's nothing better than doing jobs for customers who care and love to learn. And he had a head gasket go, and here's what we're doing. We are surfacing the block, and if you look in this mirror, so we're getting pretty close to done on this side. But when you come over here and you look around that water jacket, you can see it's pretty worn out. See, here we got pretty good surfacing going on. This is almost done over here, and then that edge. So we've got a little bit of warpage, but it's that water jacket. So that's what we're trying to get rid of. And also I told him LC Engineering has head bolt sets, and to get rid of that, basically it's an ARP that they've modified because of the gear and the camshaft. And so yeah, there's a reason for surfacing a block, and that's what we're doing on this one. And also his heads are a little bit chewed up, not too bad, but also, you know, sidetrack. I'm very proud of him because guess what? He brings everything organized in a box, and you know where everything is, because guess what? These have buckets, and you don't want to mess that up. I had a customer bring me heads when he put all the parts in a box, loosely, nothing organized. And I just kind of laughed at him, and I told him, either you can pay me an extra $300 or $400 to get everything figured out here, or get a new set of heads. And so I in a nice way, I just told him, you're dumb. But this kid didn't do that. He did a good job, and everything's organized. You keep everything laid out very well. And so this is what happened. It ran with a head gasket issue for a while. This one got chewed up pretty good. That's what happens. The water hits, and it's almost like it's hydrolysis in a way. Well, you've got steam building up, and so it chews up your aluminum. But all of this, you can see that the head gasket wore into the aluminum, so these are going to need to be resurfaced as well. So once I get the block done, then I'll switch to my aluminum bits. And yeah, I just figured I would show what's going on these heads and on this block with the head gasket. So I know you can get MLS gaskets to help with a little bit of that. MLS is a little bit better, but it is a little more costly. But I would recommend, if you're doing a 5VZ, make sure you put a stud kit in there. It's going to hold it together a little bit better. I know that these are a lot better than the 3 liters. The 3 liters were very common for chewing up head gaskets and wearing out. But yeah, there you go. Sorry, they've been busy, and priorities have changed a little bit in the past and recently. So thanks for watching, and I should have some stuff out there for you soon. See you next time.